Followers of Oceaneer Marine Brokers, welcome aboard Blue Lightning 3 Conquest 55 Maxi Vision, available for sale with Oceaneer Marine Brokers. Currently we are just outside the Mandurah estuary, cruising along at about 10 knots. The Blue Lightning 2 has amazing charter numbers for overnight survey for a Conquest 55. Currently in 1B survey, 5-year only, completed in 2020 for 13 unberthed passengers and 10 berth passengers plus 2 crew. In 1D survey you have 48 unberthed packs, so that's for the Roto Run. Blue Lightning 3 is powered by a V12 Doosan, rebuilt by R. Moore and Sons, 7,000 hours on the clock. It's a 1,000 horsepower which has been derated to 700. The auxiliary motor is a Maze 16 kVA generator, which supplies plenty of power to have the two split system AC units operating at all times. The fuel on board Blue Lightning 3, there are 3 tanks and just under 3,500 litres. 2 fresh water tanks holding 2,000 litres of fresh water plus a desal unit. The accommodation, as we mentioned before, it's 10 berth packs and 2 crew at 1B, and that's spread across 2 doubles and 8 singles. One of the doubles is in the helm station, the wheelhouse upstairs. There's also license to have 2 berthed on deck. The electronics are very serious setup. You've got the Furuno FCV 1100L sounder, the Timezero with DFF3D, which is the wide beam angle, which provides ocean floor mapping, and that's displayed through 2 Simrad 16-inch displays, which is integrated with the 4 cameras on board. There's also a Furuno sat compass and a TMQ AP4 autopilot. At cruise right now, we're sitting on 1300 RPM, 1800 RPM, fraction over, and we're doing about 12.5 knots. The economic cruise for this vessel, sitting around 13 to 1400, you can cruise along at 10 knots, and the combined fuel burn will be 50 to 60 litres per hour. If you ever did want to open it up, she'll max out at 20 to 21 knots. If you look on the aft deck, on the port quarter, there's a maxi lift 2.5 ton crane, mostly used for pulling the jet skis on and off. However, has operable uses in other areas. With many of these liveaboard vessels, there's a huge amount of refrigeration. Right at the stern there, near the filleting board, are 2 eutectic tanks, 2 eutectic fridges. There's 3 chest fridges, which is about 500 litres of freezer capacity, and then there are 2 domestic vertical fridge freezer split units. As I mentioned before, there's also 2 split system AC units. On the aft deck there's a dinette housing the 10 crew or 10 passengers and a 40-inch TV. There's 2 heads and 2 showers, one through a macerator which needs to be used in all the Class A reserves, and the other just going straight over the side.
Yeah, I think it's definitely worth noting that standing up here in the wheelhouse, you know, even at just 13 knots there, It's an incredibly soft, comfortable ride. You know, we're punching into a roughly 20 knot southerly at the moment. Mild swell, short and sharp wave chop, and yeah, it's an incredibly stable, soft ride. And that's what you find in these 55 Conquests. Certainly keeping your paying passengers comfortable when going offshore for a day of fishing. Keeping everyone happy. Alright, Chad's just brought the revs up a bit there. We're going into a port turn.
Holding 15 knots.
Pulling about 15 knots into the turn. We're heading downwind. What are our revs there, Chad?
Just over 2,000.
Yeah, so just over 2,000 RPM. Cruising downhill now. 17 knots, very comfortably. This vessel is certainly a great opportunity for a charter operator to get into the business, or existing charter operators to upsize and increase their capacity. The market is still hot right now for local tourism, and inevitably when the borders do open up to interstate and international travellers, it'll just open the doors to a plethora more clientele for a range of fishing charters, whale watching, eco tours and private use as well. If you have any more questions about the Blue Lightning, please get in touch with Lockie Boyd or Matt Lovelady or Tom Lovelady at Oceaneer Marine Brokers. Comment below, send us an email, or give us a call on 089243 6373. Just to recap, the Blue Lightning is going live on the market this weekend. We are looking for expressions of interest. All genuine offers will be presented, and we look forward to your inquiry. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll look forward to hearing from you.